So in this film we're going to look at the elevated sling. Now this sling is used if someone's got a cut on their arm and you need to immobilize the arm, so you're going to literally put the arm up onto their shoulder. In a separate video we'll look at a horizontal sling, but this one's for elevated, so it's mainly for immobilizing due to bleeding. Now the type of sling we're using is this one, which is more of a paper type of sling. It's more of a basic design. There's also a material one, which is good because you can also use that for a tourniquet if you had to. So if you need to, it's often worth changing these over to the material type. This you could not use for a tourniquet because it would just tear. So this one is quite paper-like, and when you open it up, you've got yourself the triangular bandage. Now, two 45-degree angles and one 90-degree angle. So the 90-degree angle is the one that goes on the elbow. So the simple way of putting them on is to take a little bit on the 90-degree angle, pop a knot in it, and that is then going to form where the elbow goes into the sling. So from there, so if you can pop your arm up onto your shoulder, so if you can take that bit there, and you can literally just lay that over the arm, tuck that underneath and bring the other part round the back. Once you've got it there, just double check it's all okay. Make sure the hand is fully tucked underneath, and you need to just check for capillary refill. So we'll talk about that in a second. So you can just tuck that in and then just tie a knot on the back, something like a reef knot, because you don't want it to move. So once it's on, just double check everything's okay. There's a little bit of spare material here. I mean, that's fine, you can tuck that in. But if you have got a bleed, you want to make sure that the bandage is not on too tight. So you can just take the thumb, give it a squeeze, give it a squeeze for a couple of seconds and let go. It will go from being pink to white back to pink. It shows there's still circulation. So we can rest his arm in that position, and it's good for transporting to hospital.